so it is time to start this graduated bob, and as you can see, the very first section that I'm going to take is a diagonal section, a 45-degree section, right at the occipital bone, with my fingers aiming down, getting really close and tight as my fingers can go, down by the neck. So I've got a center section down the middle back, dividing the left side from the right side. And now I am just going to execute the graduation on the right side first. So as you can see, I've taken my next section, which I am over-directing to the previous section, as the previous section is my guide for the graduation for the rest of this haircut. So, as you can see, I continue to take diagonal sections, combing the hair straight down, holding the fingers at a 45-degree angle, and my fingers get closer and closer to the neck as I get lower and lower towards the neck so that the hair is shorter and shorter towards the neck. So, I will continue to take these A-line sections until we get to the sides, where then I will incorporate the sides of the graduated bob with the back of the graduated bob. Alright, so now it is time to incorporate the sides. And you can see I've got the hair, I'm combing it straight down over the ear, and I'm angling the hair in that 45-degree angle so that it blends in as it works its way up to the graduation in the back. I'm also holding the hair through my fingers as well as through my comb to establish that outline. Okay. Now, it's time to execute the graduation on the left-hand side. You can see I've got another section, diagonal section, holding my fingers at a 45-degree angle. I'm just going to basically do the exact same thing on this side as I did on the other side. Alright, it is now time to chip in the outline in this haircut in the back. So as you can see, I'm just using the points of my scissors and I'm creating the desired outline that I'm looking for. So we've come to the end of this haircut, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments in regards to the graduation or a graduated bob in general or anything, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.